dragon fruit, mango, banana, honey, cinnamon, almond milk, rice milk. Smacks. Alright, so what we're gonna do today, I hate starting the vlogs out with alright, so, and starting new clips with alright, so, Jesus Christ. Anyhow, what we're gonna be doing right now is trying to get the stocking off, test fitting the Ltw Wing, and also trying to see if we could get the M Sports door trim, car side trim stuff on. So yeah, so the cool thing about these is that it's not M3 side moldings, they're M Sport, because that's one thing I did not really like, how like I don't have an M3, so I don't want M3 you know, trim. So yeah, M Sport. The M3 ones say this M and 3, so it's cool. That is for this side, which I have to go over here anyway because this is the first one I'm going to test since they're already off. Well, since it's already off, and luckily my boy took all these push thingies off with it, so hopefully, unlike the other ones that I bought, these actually go on, because that was one thing that really annoyed me, because I spent like $200 on trim already and it didn't work because all the it was just rotted out. It was, yeah, it just wasn't it. So I'm gonna try to put this one on, and then so I'll just go around and put all the rest of them on, and then I'll get back to you guys in a couple minutes. So yeah, I'll get back in a second. I'm trying to take the screws out. This one is stuck. All the other three can spin. That's really how this car stuff is. Like, you'll do 3 struts, the 4th one gives you a problem. You'll do 3 wheels, the 4th gives you a problem. You'll do 1 seat, 2nd seat will have 1 bolt, that just gives you a problem. I don't know why that's always how it is. One thing always gives you a problem, and it makes the 2-minute job take 2 hours. Ah, Jesus Christ. Okay, no, this one's too big. Okay. So now, should be able to. So after lots of drilling and all that kind of stuff, and then cutting the wire because I don't know where the harness connects to, the wing is off. So boom. Now we are going to look at the Ltw. And again, like I mentioned in a previous video, I've owned this wing, if not 2, then 3 times. So yeah, like it's even been shipped like out of state and stuff like that, and then I've gotten it back. So yeah, I need my 2 hands. Another good thing about this wing is that with the carbon risers and everything, it's lighter than the OEM wing, so the trunk doesn't like just slam down, and the holes are not too far off, so it may even be a possibility for me to just self-tap this thing through, so that'll be good. So how I'm gonna mount this is 3M tape to secure it down, and then just shoot some self-tappers right through, and that should be good enough with some washers and whatnot. But yeah, like, just send it, because why not? I want to have. Oops. Yeah. It's another thing I have to be wary of, because I don't want to break this rear glass. So yeah. I really don't even know what I'm about to do now. Like, it's not like I can mount this now because I have to try and strip this paint off to see if I could get the carbon risers to show. Then I got to plasti dip these two parts because I want it to match the trim for now. So if anything, I may just plasti dip this whole thing and then worry about it later. But yeah, for now, as long as I got the other wing off, I'm gonna wipe this all down and wipe this, because you do not want metal shavings to sit on your paint, because then it'll start to rust like as soon as some water touches it. Well, not as soon as some water sits on it and stuff. So yeah, I'm gonna wipe this down, wash the car, and then yeah, I don't know. Okay, so that's the wing on. Well, it's not on, but that's the wing just sitting like on the trunk. But yeah, it's gonna look a lot better when it's black. Then eventually I'll get it painted to match, but for now I'm just gonna make it match the trim because ain't nobody got time for that. So yeah. One annoying thing is that I just found out that the new hose that I bought is already broken, so I can't wash the car. Well, I'm just gonna like wash the car down with the hose, but yeah, if I even do that, because it's kind of pointless at this point. But yeah, it's a very cool look. Per usual, the Ltw Wing is a go-to. Like, hold on, let me quick second. Boom. You guys can really see how much the wide angle lens changes your view. But yeah, that's, oh my god, I can't wait. And also, as you guys saw before, I have the LTW or Rieger lip, whatever, so I'm going to be putting that on soon too. I have the diffuser, I'm going to be putting that on soon. Well, I have to customize it and do some other stuff, and then I'll get that on. And then I'm just going to get some whatever side skirts for now and splitters for now, just to make the whole like flow of the car even. It's gonna be some nice aero. I'm not sure if I'm gonna run a carbon roof wing or louvers. I'll most likely do louvers, just why not. But yeah, as you guys can see, it's coming along, and allegedly my transit after kit is coming, so that should be here next week. The supercharger kit should be here next week, but that's probably not going to get installed for a couple weeks. I'm going to drive the car around naturally aspirated first. What I may do is have John do the head gasket and the studs. I'm not going to do a spacer because I'm just going to tune the car on E85 and it'll be fully 85. So yeah, I guess that's it for now. If anything, I'll show you guys later on. But this is the end of the video. Like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. And I really didn't do too much in this video, but there's gonna be a lot more to come. I'm about to shoot 2 more videos. The if I wash the car, I'm gonna shoot that. That'll be a separate video because I'm gonna be testing out some a product. Then I'll be shooting another video, which will be starting to put the diffuser together and test fitting that. So that'll be a mix of today and tomorrow's content. What the hell? That's a loud ass dog. But yeah, I'll be doing that. Bumbo clot, the dog don't like that, you dumb man. Crosses, why the dog so hungry? But yeah, so that'll be what I'm doing. So got a pretty packed weekend of content. And if also if all goes according to plan, I'll be dropping the car off at John's. So that's some more stuff. So yeah, thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and I got you guys in the next one. Deuces. And here's a little bonus clip, wingless. That actually looks pretty cool. Like, look at that. That looks super clean. I may run it wingless for a little while, because granted, I don't have to put on the wing for a while, because I still have the front lip, side skirts, diffuser, and stuff to do too. So, who knows? Maybe I'll just hold off on the wing. Yeah, I couldn't help myself, so I ended up putting on all the trim. It's not on perfectly. I'm most likely gonna put like some 3M tape behind it. I think it's called 3M tape, something like that, and then just make sure it like sticks. But yeah, it just looks so much better like this. So yeah, let me show you guys the other side too. Yeah, that's fire.